So I wanted to do an update on my total ankle replacement surgery that I had on November 16th, 2018. Today is December 23rd, 2018. So it is roughly 5 weeks after surgery. And I wanted to do this both so I can look back on the progress that I took, and also so that I can put this out there so people that are thinking of getting total ankle replacement surgery, so they know what to expect. So as you can see, my stitches have been out for approximately 2.5 weeks now. I no longer wear bandages over it. I do keep them moist with a product called Aquaphor so they don't dry out. As you can see, I still have swelling, which is normal. Swelling right here, and of course swelling on the right side. Swelling has gone down tremendously on the top of my foot. Currently, I'm using a boot. I'm able to wear a boot. I don't need a crutch. I can walk without a boot. However, I try not to put full weight on my ankle if I'm walking without the boot. So far, progress has gone good. I have gone to approximately 4 sessions of physical therapy, and everything that they've done is helping the progress and healing of my ankle. They say that the healing is going really, really quick. I'm hoping to be able to be completely rid of my boot, walking on both feet without any assistance, hopefully in the next month, but time will tell. So there it is. Total ankle replacement.